Rocket Lab has collapsed -10.79% to $102.39, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Monday, June 15th, and this is your complete global market briefing. A positive session is unfolding. Investor sentiment is being shaped by earnings, not valuations, are fueling the US stock market, Financial Times. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 edged higher plus 0.50% to $7,431.46. Investor sentiment is being shaped by markets whipsaw as RE sell-off resumes, CNN. NASDAQ 100 edged higher plus 0.64% to $29,636. Investor sentiment is being shaped by GOT $1,500. 3 no-brainer artificial intelligence, RE, semiconductor stocks to buy before they soar once again, the motley fool. Dow Jones is trading higher by plus 0.70% at $51,202. Investor sentiment is being shaped by earnings, not valuations, are fueling the US stock market, Financial Times. DAX is up plus 1.76%, trading at $24,635. The move follows reports that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. FTSE 100 climbed plus 1.63% to $10,472. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Fed risks fueling a stock bubble by overlooking ARA-driven inflation, BCA. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Rocket Lab plunged -10.79% to $102.39 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Rocket Lab deepens space defense role as investors weigh SpaceX IPO alternative, simply walled ST. Samsung surged plus 7.86% to $322,500 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. HSBC surged plus 3.86% to $1,372.80 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by assessing HSBC, LSE, SPA, valuation after recent share price pullback and Asia growth focus, simply walled ST. LVMH made a dramatic move today, surged plus 3.53% to $510.60. Equity markets are responding to reports that China sales hold up as European luxury brands warn of Iran war impact, South China Morning Post. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. The move follows reports that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Fed risks fueling a stock bubble by overlooking ARA-driven inflation, BCA. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. Investor sentiment is being shaped by earnings, not valuations, are fueling the US stock market, Financial Times. Turning to commodities. Brent crude plunged to $87.33 per barrel, down 3.37% on the session. The move follows reports that earnings, not valuations, are fueling the US stock market, Financial Times. WTI crude plunged to $84.88 per barrel, down 3.23% on the session. The move follows reports that earnings, not valuations, are fueling the US stock market, Financial Times. Natural gas edged higher to $3.12, up 1.07% on the session. The move follows reports that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. Gold surged to $4,238.80 per troy ounce, up 3.63% on the session. Safe haven demand is being supported by reports that Goldman Sachs cuts 2027 oil price estimate on demand uncertainty. Crude oil prices today, oilprice.com. Let us give you our near-term view on Rocket Lab. With the selling pressure we have seen today, The key support level for Rocket Lab is around $96.25. A failure to hold there could accelerate the decline and attract further sellers. For a recovery, bulls need to see a fundamental shift in the drivers weighing on prices. This is our view. Always do your own research. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.16, gaining 0.33% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, gaining 0.12% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 160.13, gaining 0% on the day. Currency markets are reacting to Yardeni Wei's SpaceX IPO viability as trillion-dollar listings loom. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We post fresh analysis every single morning. Leave a comment with your market view. We feature the best ones in future videos. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.